Welcome to our van life with our 4 good chihuahuas, episode 48. We left Bisbee after a very fun weekend. It was good to meet everyone and have unforgettable camping experiences. Once again, we thank you so much for your support and watching.
We are in Tombstone at the site of the OK Corral shootout. Where are we, baby? We're making our way back to California on a Sunday, and just so happened we're about lunchtime in Quartzsite, and there's not much available here, so I wanted to give one of the local restaurants some business, and we did try out Neo's. There's not much available, so we'll see how it is, and we'll get a review from Pia later. This is about as simple as it gets, but when you're hungry and on the road, that's better than a greasy burger. Again, it's Taco Mio. Looks like they have some good plates and breakfast burritos, but this is just a chicken burrito. This is a carne asada burrito. No extras. Looks like there's supposed to be 7 layers in there, but I don't see it. So we're hungry, so we're gonna take it down and get back on the road. Here. Where are we? Castaic. Got big lots. Sunday night, so not a lot of people here. And Lakeview. This is right off I-5. Gonna get dinner here. Watch a nice sunset. Not a bad spot to spend the night.
Everyone, so we made it here to Castaic Lake, and it's a beautiful evening out. It took us like 8 hours of driving to get here. We did stop a lot because of the dogs. We have 2 elderly chihuahuas that need to be let out every couple of hours. And we are going to be here for the night. We're having dinner now, cooking dinner, and then afterwards we are going to get ready for sleep and get up early, clean the van, and get ready for another road trip.
Usual sight. Steaks on the grill. Where are we? Castaic State Recreation Area. Chewbacca is ready to get up. So is Jabba over here in the alcove. Mr. Yoda is next to Pia. And Boba is somewhere, you see ears above. So the doggies are ready. We're gonna show you the lake. You can kind of see it. But let's look outside and see what we have. We have lots of bugs. Oh, the fan is on. So, had to jury rig that. Messed with our Starlink last night. Might have been a little critter. To check on that. But this is what it looks like out here. Make sure that is secure so we don't have any buggies coming in. And that is the dam over on that side. A couple campers waking up. Looks like a RV came in late last night. And this is the other side of the lake. It's pretty small. Beautiful morning, nice and crisp. Good day to get home, and we'll hit the road shortly.
Everyone, we are at Castaic Lake here at the Grapevine on I-5 here in California.
It's our last leg of our trip out to Bisbee with the Weird Wild West group by Bernarella, and it was quite an experience.
We had such a great time meeting new people and seeing friends that we had made during our trip down to Trona Pinnacles with the Storyteller Facebook group. We met lots of new people from different areas. It's been a very, very fun experience, and we hope that we have made lifelong friendships.
This was a industry kind of meetup as well, and because there were so many attendees, because of the Back to Baja trip got canceled for this week, it was interesting camping in a parking lot. What did you think about that experience?
Yes, we've never had that kind of experience before. We're so used to.
Boba has come to join the taping of the trip.
So we've never had that kind of experience before, but it was basically a parking lot where you're all side by side with your vans and RVs, and it's a very unique experience because everybody was so respectful and mindful of their own space and privacy.
The parking experience was interesting because we had a lot with 300 or so vans that were supposed to fit in there. That included schoolies and short vans, long vans, larger RVs. So it was cool to see so much diversity. This was more of an overland van schoolie meetup that just really exploded because they had to spread us all out. There were friends of ours that were at the church, other spots around bars and hotels. So that actually forced us to get out and walk around a little bit.
Bisbee is really a unique place. I've never stayed in a town like that before. It's such a small town, so much personality, lots of amazing, very friendly people. I wish that we would have been able to stay longer and spend more time with everybody, but it was really, really a unique experience, and I'm so happy that we got out there and all our dogs were very, very welcome as well.
Yeah, that was actually a cool aspect, is that people started to know us just because we were always rolling around with the dogs, and we got even people interested in the Yoda scarf where we hold him because he can't see. So a lot of people were interested in buying that and wanting to know what that was all about for both cats and dogs. So it's nice that that's a talking point, and we were able to network, meet a lot of new people, see some people that we've recently met, and build deeper relationships and friendships. And that's what we're really hoping to do. And I think that if you go to an event like this, don't be anxious, don't be scared of meeting new people, because a lot of these folks, they just want to get to know you, see what's up, check out your van. Yeah, they want to check out your van and learn things just like we are. So that's the cool part about it, is, we're, somewhat introverted, extroverted people ourselves, and we like to have our downtime and our alone time. So getting out here and getting out of the van is still something we're learning how to do. Wouldn't you say?
Yes, and that the driving experience with our storyteller was very, very comfortable. I felt very safe in the van. Our dogs were super comfortable, even though it got up to the 80s, mid 80s up in Bisbee. Our dogs were not at all exhausted with the heat or didn't feel suffocated because we had enough ventilation, we had AC, lots of power, and just overall in general, I'm really happy with our van and the Ford Transit, the storyteller. Everything is so well done.
We got to say thank you to a lot of people as well. Got to say thank you to Talon for winning his giveaway, and it's just a great overall experience. So we're excited to do more. This is springtime, so this is really the beginning of the season, and we will definitely be out here showing you guys more as we explore.
And we hope to visit our new friends at wherever they're at and do van life events together.
Yeah.
And we also are very excited to meet other van lifers, find out what mods they have in our van, because we're constantly looking to improve our experience as well.
Yeah. And apologize for the setup here. It's windy. We're in the mountains, so it's a little bit crazy, and hopefully this audio turns out okay. I think that's it. Any closing thoughts?
Yes, we thank you guys for keeping up with us in our journey, and hope that you continue to stick around for more, because we definitely have lots of plans in the works.
Yeah, and please, if you like what you saw about our trip out to Arizona, please like and subscribe and comment. It really does help as we continue to grow the channel and get more content out for you guys. So thanks so much for watching.
Thank you for watching, and we will see you next Sunday at 7.
All right, doggies are getting their last walkies around the van. This area is very nice because even though it was windy and buggy, there's a lot of grass for doggies to do their business and run around, and not a lot of people. We have just a couple RVs nearby. This is lot B. Had a bathroom, showers, coin-operated showers. So some amenities that are nice for these state recreation areas, but the location was really nice because now we only have about 5 hours, give or take, to get home on our last leg